India's Ministry of Power recently notified the Green Energy Open Access Rules 2022 to give an impetus to the growth of the renewable energy sector and promote its production, purchase, and consumption. Under the open access system, eligible consumers, those with a contracted demand or sanctioned load of 100 kilowatts or more, can purchase power from a green energy service provider of their choice. They can select such a service provider from among competing power companies in the open market. Ahmedabad-based conglomerate Chirapal Group, which has businesses in textile, petrochemicals, education, NBFC and infrastructure sectors, plans to diversify into the solar power equipment space with an estimated investment of 6,000 crore rupees in a project in Jaipur. A new company, Chirapal Renewable Energy, is being formed for the project. Chirapal Group has purchased 26 acres of land at Dudu, situated on Jaipur-Delhi National Highway. We will make solar panels, cells and glass at the facility, said Binay Thadani, Chief Executive Officer of Vishal Fabrics, a flagship company of the group. The solar equipment project will be fully commissioned in the next 4 years in 4 phases, said Thadani, who is also director of the new company. The first phase will be commissioned by the end of June 2023. Scientists have discovered a novel material that can emit, detect and modulate infrared light with high efficiency, making it useful for solar and thermal energy harvesting as well as for optical communication devices. The discovery has significant potential in the strategic arena of defense and space as well as the power sector. Researchers discovered a material called single crystalline scandium nitride that can emit, detect, and modulate infrared light with high efficiency. According to a statement issued by the Ministry of Science and Technology on Tuesday, Formula One has announced an ambitious plan to have a net zero carbon footprint by 2030. Following the successful introduction with new fuel comprising 10% ethanol, which will reduce carbon emissions overall, F1 is working with all the major fuel manufacturers to develop a 100% sustainable fuel to be introduced with a new engine formula in 2026. With development of a 100% sustainable fuel, slashing the use of single-use plastics and reviewing travel and freight logistics, these are just some of the things Formula One as a sport is working on as part of its commitment to be net zero carbon by 2030, Formula One said in a release. Indian energy giant Tata Power has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Indian state government of Tamil Nadu to invest roughly 3,000 crore Indian rupees in setting up a 4 gigawatts cell and 4 gigawatts module factory in the state. To be located in the Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu, the facility will be built over a period of 16 months and will be located on a greenfield development site.